Welcome back, darlings. Welcome back, everybody. Today we'll be unboxing the July Macy's Beauty Box for the month of July. First item, clearly, is this lovely wooden fan that will immediately break. It is nice and flimsy, and the paper is nice and thin, like construction paper. So we'll see how long this lasts. They could have done more quality insurance testing or whatever, but you know, plastic fan would have been better than a wooden paper one that you can probably get off Amazon. But enough ranting about this fan. As you can see, I woke up from a nap. I thought we could unbox a box together. Enjoy the background. And let's get into the rest of the products. I guess before going into the next product, I should just kind of throw out there that this is the Macy's Beauty Box. It is monthly for $15, and some months are definitely worth it, and some months, such as kind of this, are kind of, dare I say, a waste. Will I regret that? I don't know, but let me know your thoughts and opinions. Let's have a discussion. Anyways, the second product is this Nude Sticks Nude Screen Lip Primer SPF 30. Yeah, I tried it on before filming because my lips were dry and I didn't have any other chapstick around me. And this is the color. It's really, I'm just gonna use, oh, and then it comes with a little coupon. Here you go. If you want that, there you go. I never order anything off Macy's, so I'm just gonna wipe the swatch off with this lip. Maybe I'm in a slump or something, but these subscription boxes lately are just kind of, dare I say, pathetic. Is that too extreme? I'm sorry if that hurts your feelings, but then when I tried this on, it literally feels like putting straight like oil, like rose hip oil on your lips. It doesn't really sink in. It leaves a weird film on your lips. And I mean, the tint is pretty. It just feels weird on the lips. And we'll just put that off to the side, I guess, with the broken fan already. Just kidding. The fan still works. The second product, I guess, will be the Lancome Genifique. This concentrate, youth activating concentrate. I've had many of these in the past, so I'm very aware of these, and even though you're not gonna really see a whole lot, it's just clear. Just a clear serum, but it feels really nice though. I don't mind this. I've just had this a lot, so the burnout is a little real, unfortunately, but I love subscription boxes. I don't know. Maybe it's probably me, I guess. I don't know. Not really, but you know, whatever. Anyways, the third product. You'll be hearing that a lot. The next product, the second product, the fifth product, the final product. Anyways, it's this Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. It's tiny itty bitty baby bottle. And it feels like it's empty. Looks like this. Oh, there you go. Oh, let's not waste it. A little cream, or a little white cream. The cream looks like this. Yeah, it feels like a very nice silicone cream. That's the word I was looking for. I guess we'll get the perfume sample out of the way. It's the Valentino Donna Born in Roma perfume sample. Which, I mean, I really like this perfume, so I'm not mad about getting it again because I have lots of these, but like, I like it, so I don't mind. Oh, it smells so good. Very strong though, but it's a good perfume. For me, anyways. A kosher Florental Jasmine Trio twisted with an overdose of woods. Yeah, that's all it really says about the notes. So, oh, my ugly fingers, there you go. That's really about it. All right. The, we'll do this one. This is the second to last product, is this KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub, which I don't think I've tried this a long time ago, and it was decent. I know this, I'm not gonna open it. It's sealed, but I'm not gonna open it right now, but this was all the rage a couple years ago, year ago, I don't know, but yeah. Pretty decent size too, so. Last product is this Kopari Sun Shield Soft Glow Daily Face SPF 30. My lights are gonna wash out the packaging, so you won't be able to see anything. And I'm a little still stuffed up, so I can barely talk. But opening up the box is this little, oh my god. So I can see through the packaging with my lights, and it's filled up to here. So half filled, halfway filled. There's a little safety seal. I'm really curious. Okay, yeah, it's just a... Ooh, it's very liquidy. Ooh, but I can't even put the cap back on. There you go. It's gonna be really hard to see, but it's right there. It feels really nice though. It feels like if you put silicone in water. But yeah, that's cute. I don't mind that. But yeah, that's everything that came in my Macy's beauty box for the month of July. And it kind of sucks. So, free wrapping paper, tissue paper, so that's cool. It's hard to appreciate it when you have these products already in different forms, but I know for $15 you can't really expect a whole lot because it includes shipping too. So I'm not trying to complain too hard. And you might be like, well then just cancel it. It's like, yeah, but then the next month is gonna be so flipping amazing and then I'm gonna regret it. It always does that. Like, so I don't know. But anyways, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. And I guess my channel is turning into a subscription unboxing channel, which I don't mind. I originally wanted this in the beginning, but, you know. I don't like talking to a camera just for the fun of it. I do want to get some views out of it a little bit too. But I mean, if you start a YouTube channel, then you want people to see your content. So. Anyways, without me rambling on any further, I will see you next time. Bye.